Most of us get a major chunk of our calories from carbs and protein, but with the keto diet, most of your calories will come from fat. Because of this, you may experience carb withdrawal symptoms such as mood swings, nausea, drowsiness, lethargy, etc. But they'll vanish within 1 or 2 weeks, usually until your body reaches ketosis. You might want to reach ketosis fast, so here are 3 simple techniques that can help you. Number 1. Fat fast. One of the best techniques to seeing fat loss will be to eat natural high-fat foods for 1 week. No carbs, no sugar. The key is to eat mindfully. You must be attuned to your body. Eat only when you're hungry and stop when you aren't. For this fat fasting protocol to work, you must be very strict. Even the smallest deviation will thwart your attempts to reach ketosis. This is an extreme method that requires total adherence and dedication. Even a small sip of soda can undo the entire process. But the rewards for all of this effort are fantastic. You'll be able to see 8 to 10 pounds of weight loss in a week. While a lot of it will be water weight, you'll lose fat too. From here on, you can get started on the keto diet because your body would have adapted. Number 2. Normal fasting. Even if you're not on the ketogenic diet, fasting can still help you reach a state of ketosis. That's why intermittent fasting is so potent. It gets the body to produce ketones too. Fasting for 16 hours a day will create a state of ketosis that will help your body to burn fat for fuel, state of carbs. If you can fast for 20 to 24 hours, that will be even better. When you're first starting off, you may wish to start with a 10-hour fast and slowly work your way up. Number 3. 5-6 meals a day. Another way to reach ketosis will be to consume 5 or 6 small meals spread throughout the day. This is like grazing, and it's different from gorging on 3 large meals. The 5 or 6 small meals should not have more than 200 calories each. Ideally, you should be getting most of your calories from natural fats and a very small amount of protein. It's best to avoid carbs totally. The beauty of the ketogenic diet, or achieving a state of ketosis, is the fact that it focuses on fat loss and not weight loss. Losing weight is not the goal. You can lose weight and still be skinny fat. Always remember that your goal should be to reduce your body fat percentage and not just the number on the scale.